In this video, I'll be showing you how you can hide sections on Squarespace. And this can be very useful if you, for example, have a section that you don't want to publish yet on your website, but you want to have it in the backend so you can go ahead and edit it more, but again, not have it live on the website. So let's get into the video. Over at my Squarespace website, in my instance, I want to hide this section that I've created right here. And what you could do is to actually click this hard button right here, which saves the section. So let's do that. And then we can go ahead and remove it like this, and then potentially add it again via the saved sections. But this is not dynamic. And if you put it in again and write another title right here, you would have to need to save it again and then go back to removing it and then adding it again. So there's a much simpler solution to do this that requires a bit of code. And in order to do that, let's head over to the custom CSS section on our Squarespace website. This can be found via pages, then website tools and custom CSS. And from here, just copy and paste the code that's down below in the description. As you can see, we target an ID here. And in order to find our section ID for the section that we want to hide, what we could do is use the Squarespace ID Finder app. And I really do recommend that we do this. So this can be installed by the Chrome Web Store. I'll also link it in the description. So let's just click on it and you can see that a lot of IDs show up. So in our instance, we want to hide this section. Just on a quick note as well, if you want to hide, for example, only individual things on the site, you can also do that by simply copying this and pasting it in right here. But in this video, we're going to restrict ourselves to only the section. So copy the section code right here. You'll get a notice that says it's copied. From there, just remove this URID block right here and paste in your unique section. And you can see right away that the section got hidden. If you want to see this again though, simply what you can just do is comment out this code by doing this. And you can see when we do that, the section appears again. So that was just a very simple tutorial on how you can hide sections on Squarespace by using custom CSS. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, the links are down below. And as always, have a great day.